Hi, Wes Godfrey with Best Buy Flooring Source. Today I'm going to show you how to install an angle-to-angle locking system, and I'm going to be demonstrating with our product called ParkPlace. First thing you want to do with any installation is make sure you read your instructions first. The next thing is you need to let the product acclimate to the environment it's going to be installed in for a minimum of 48 hours. That needs to be between 62 degrees and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The next thing is to make sure the subfloor is prepared properly, and you need a very clean, smooth surface and level. And by level, we mean an eighth of an inch, no more than an eighth of an inch deviation within 3 feet. Once you have the subfloor prepped, next is underlayment, and we recommend using our 3-in-1 Quiet Life underlayment that we sell. But really, it's absolutely imperative that you use at a minimum a moisture barrier. So when you get started with installation, and it can be installed over radiant heat. When you get started with installation, you need a 3/8 inch expansion gap along all walls. So you'll put spacers, 3/8 inch spacers around all walls. We'll give you something to push up against. And you install your first row, and you basically install the entire first row along the spacers or along your wall, making sure that you have a very smooth, at the seams, very smooth level edge. That way you won't have problems as you install the next rows. Next, you'll take a board and you'll cut it down to start your second row. And that board needs to be a minimum of 8 inches long. It can be longer, but it needs to be a minimum of 8 inches. And basically the product, give it a slight angle, and then it should fall into place. You may actually have to hit it with your palm, but in this case it just fell right in. Your next board, you'll do the same thing, but you want to make sure you get it as close to the previous board as you can with it still being able to fall down into place. So you'll have a gap here, and how you close this gap is with a tapping block. You can use a tapping block, or you can just take a spare piece of laminate, which is what we're doing today. And you're just going to basically use a rubber mallet, tap it into place, and once it's together you should see no seam. And basically you just continue this row by row until you're done with the installation. Thank you.